In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the Resolution Center in QuickBooks, an essential skill for managing your accounts and troubleshooting any issues that may arise. By understanding how to use this feature, you'll be able to resolve disputes, get answers to pressing questions, and ensure your financial operations run smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go over to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and enter QuickBooks website, address in the address bar, then log in using your credentials. This is the first significant step, as you'll need to access your account settings within the application interface. As you navigate, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Getting comfortable with the layout will help make following the next steps a breeze. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option in your QuickBooks menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various account management selections. QuickBooks Settings menu is the central hub for controlling the behavior of your account. So it's a good idea to spend a little time here every now and then to ensure everything is set just right for your business needs. Next, you'll want to click on the Resolution Center option within this settings menu. The Resolution Center is where you can manage and address any issues related to transactions, billings, or disputes that may have been flagged by QuickBooks. If you've ever been uncertain about a transaction or encountered an issue that needs detailed scrutiny, this is your go-to spot. After accessing the Resolution Center, you'll see several options to explore common issues. Begin by clicking on Product Support. This section is invaluable if you're looking to understand how different features work or need help troubleshooting a specific problem. It contains a wealth of information that can guide you step by step through almost any issue you're encountering. Finally, move on to Bill Pay. Clicking on this option provides the tools and assistance necessary for handling your bill payments, especially useful if you've run into any snags related to scheduled or pending payments. Understanding how to navigate the Bill Pay section can help streamline your financial management, making certain that your vendors are paid accurately and on time. And there you have it, folks. This overview of accessing and using the Resolution Center in QuickBooks should empower you to manage issues efficiently and enhance your accounting workflow. Remember, consistency in monitoring your accounts and proactively resolving discrepancies is key to maintaining a healthy financial environment for your business. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to reach out to support if ever you're in doubt.